Hello and happy Valentine's Day. My name is Vitaly Kurchin, top gun rights lawyer in Washington State. This video will be part 2 of my 2024 Washington State legislative update as it relates to firearm bills. Stay tuned. Okay, this is going to be a short video and I'm going to pick up where I left off in my prior video. You can watch that by clicking the link above or in the description below. Yesterday, February 13th, was the cutoff for a bill to be passed out of the Chamber of Origin. If the bill did not make it out of the chamber where it started, either the House or the Senate, then the bill is officially dead. Let's get straight to it. The following bills are all officially dead. House Bill 1178, which would have ended state preemption, although that's likely to come back again next year in some form. House Bill 1902, which would have created a permitting requirement to purchase firearms. House Bill 2054, which would have placed a limit on firearm purchases to one firearm every 30 days. And Senate Bill 5963, which would have required firearm owners to carry certain insurance. The following bills are all still alive. 1903, which creates certain requirements about reporting lost or stolen firearms, passed out of the House on February 9th and is now in the Senate. House Bill 2118, which creates significant new burdens on firearm dealers by requiring the installation of security features, such as alarm systems and video surveillance. The bill passed out of the House on February 12th, but it was amended before passage to exempt low-volume dealers who do less than $1,000 a month in total revenue from the requirements. It was also amended to take effect on July 1st, 2025 instead of January 1st, 2025. Senate Bill 5454, which creates new restrictions on the carry of firearms in certain places such as zoos, aquariums, libraries, and public transit stations, although carry is still allowed with a concealed pistol license. The final version of the bill passed out of the Senate on February 9th, but prior to passage, the bill removed parks and government buildings from the list of sensitive places, which were in the original bill. There are committee deadlines on February 21st and 26th, but the most important deadline is now March 1st. That is the deadline to pass opposite chamber bills. If the bill does not pass the opposite chamber by March 1st, then the bill will be dead. If the bill does pass out of the opposite chamber by March 1st, then the bill either gets sent to the governor for his signature, or if the one chamber's bill is different than the other chamber's bill, the bill then gets sent to the Chamber of Origin and can pass back and forth between the chambers until both chambers pass the same version. The deadline to complete this process, if it is needed, is March 7th, which is the last day allowed for regular session under the state constitution. Well, that completes the legislative wrap-up for now. I'll be back with another video after the session is over. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.